Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to add photos on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to add photos on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, in order to add photo to a particular location on Google Maps, tap on the place of which you want to add a photo. And when this kind of interface appears, where do you want to add a photo, you can see, let's tap on other places as well, and this interface appears. You can see the photos over here. Now in order to add a photo, you can see the photos option available for us on this interface. When this interface appears, scroll it up and there is the photos option over here. Tap on the photos, and in order to add a photo, guys, you can see there is the add a photo to this place option available for us. Tap on the add a photo over here, and you can see, guys, let's tap on the top of the screen where it says post may appear publicly with your profile name, picture, or a link to your profile. So make sure that you want to do this, and after reading this, guys, all of your photos on your phone will be available over here. Simply choose the photo which you want to add to that location and tap on the post at the top right corner of the screen, and that photo will be posted on Google Maps as a part of that location. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add photos on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon from our videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.